Hi guys, today I'm gonna make this. Okay, what is this? Yeah, it is called bottle guard. Okay, so this sabji I'm going to prepare. Okay, with rasam. This curry and rasam. This is our special. So, okay, let me finish all my cooking and come back. And here is my chicken. Hello, how are you? Hi, how are you? Shinku. Shinku is not keeping well. Okay. So, I did not give him food. Let him starve for some time. Then he will be alright. Okay, Shinku. Hmm? Okay. Let me start cooking now. Papa, Priyanka, Preeti, everybody will come. So, I am going to prepare my lunch. Okay. Shinku. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Peel this outer layer, okay? First, you need to peel this layer. It is so fresh. Bottle guard is so fresh and tender. It is so tender and fresh. So, this is ready. Tinku. Okay, let him sleep. He is not well. Okay, meanwhile, what I'm doing, see here. Yeah, I have chopped this bottle gourd. Okay, one onion and some curry patta, curry leaves. Okay, so now I'm going to make curry out of it. Ready with oil. Put some mustard seeds, jeera, curry leaves, and fry the onions. Okay. Curry is getting ready. And meanwhile, let me check. How is Chinku? Chinku, how are you now? Feeling better? Chinku, somewhat feeling better? Beta, you are feeling better now? See here. Look at mummy. Come. Come, come. Come on. Walk, walk, walk. Hey, good boy. गुड बॉय खाना भी नहीं खाया है आज खाना भी नहीं खाया पानी भी नहीं पिया है ऐसा ही बैठा है बैठा है बैठा है वेयर इज चौको यू वांट टू प्ले विथ चौको यू वांट टू प्ले विथ चौको कम लेट्स गो आउटसाइड कम 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 ड्रिंक सम वाटर नो ओके कम लेट्स गो टू चौको कम 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 वाह वाह चौको पोलम वाह Yay. Where is Choco? Hey Choco. Hey Choco. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Choco. Where is Choco? Big boy. Shinku enge Shinku. Where is Shinku? Wait, let me wear my slippers. Let me wear my slippers. Huh? Okay. The climate is changing, right? So, no. That's what I don't like. No. Shinku is not good, na? He is not well. Don't trouble him. Ba, ba, inge ba, 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 ba. Ali, li, li, li. Ah, so hard he is. So tough boy. Rough and tough boy. Ba, Chinku ba. Ba, mummy to ba. Come to mummy. Come to mummy, चिंकू. चिंकू को अच्छा नहीं है क्या? चिंकू कोडम से री लिया. हाँ, तुमने ही कुछ किया है उसको. तुमने ही किया है कुछ तो. क्या किया है तुमने? क्या किया है तुमने? तुमने क्या किया? चिंकू को तुमने कुछ किया क्या? उसको तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. तुमने ही कुछ किया होगा. हाँ, देखो जा रहा है चिंकू. Go and call him. Go and call चिंकू. Go. बा, चिंकू बा. बा चिंकू. Shall I carry you? Shall I lift you, Shinku? No, don't bark. Ba, Chinku ba. Come beta. Chinku inge. Ish, Chinku ba. Mummy tu ki keren ba. Tu ki tu mummy. Ba, ba, ba. Mummy tu ki keren ba. No, no, no. Sit here. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Both of you. Both of you. Sit down. Both of you. Sit down. Choco, sit down. Good boy. Shake hand. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Muchapo. Muchapo, muchapo. मुचा देख रहा है वो गैप से, गेट के गैप से कैसा देख रहा है, देखिए. हाँ, नो, यू स्टे देयर. चॉको विल स्टे देयर इनसाइड. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू कम आउटसाइड. स्टे देयर ओनली. नो बार्किंग. चॉको गुड बॉय. चॉको गुड बॉय. चॉको गुड बॉय. आ रहा है. 2 बार सुसु गया तो ठीक हो जाएगा, है ना? यस, है ना, है ना, है ना. कम 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 बैक, कम बैक, कम बैक, कम बैक, कम. चिंकू कम. बाबा गोगची वर्दी, गोगची गोगची आ जाएगा. चलो घर घर चलो. अंदर चलो, अंदर चलो, अंदर चलो. बा, sit down. No, you sit down. Go, sit down first. Good boy. That's like a good boy. That's like a good boy. क्या क्या कर रहा है देखिए ना चौको. ये मेरा शिंकू. दा शिंकू दा दा. शिंकू थोड़ा डरता है चौको से. हाँ, he gets scared by looking at Choco. बा, I will lift you. Come, I will take you. ऐसे लेके जाना पड़ता है घर के अंदर. सुसु जाने के बाद हमेशा ये बैठा रहता है और इसको ऐसे लेके जाना पड़ता है. देखो ना, दोनों मेरे दोनों पपी, मेरे दोनों पेट्स, कितने ब्यूटीफुल पेट्स हैं मेरे. आपके पास भी है क्या ऐसे ब्यूटीफुल पेट्स? नहीं है ना, नहीं है ना, सिर्फ मेरे पास ही है. गुड बॉय, गुड बॉय, गुड बॉय, गुड बॉय. Choco, sit down. Choco. Choco, sit down. Sit down. Good boy, good boy. Stay here. Meanwhile, मैं सब्जी को हिला के आती हूँ. ओके, दोनों चुपचाप बैठना चाहिए यहाँ पे. ओके, इतना अच्छा बैठ गया मेरा शिंकू. चौको ना सुनता नहीं है मेरा बात. Sit down. Sit. Choco, sit. Such a good boy. Good boy. You should take care of Shinku. You should take care of Shinku, okay? That is your responsibility. Big boy's responsibility. Take care of Shinku. Okay? Shinku, stay there. Okay? मम्मी सब्जी को हिला के आऊँगी किचन में जाके. दोनों अच्छे से बैठना, okay? एंड अभी देखेंगे कैसा बन रहा है. वाओ, कितना अच्छा खुशबू आ रहा है. वाओ, सुपर्ब. సో దీంట్లో కొంచెం ఇఫ్ యూ స్ప్రింకిల్ సమ్ గ్రౌండ్నట్స్ పౌడర్ ఇట్ విల్ యాడ్ too much of flavor, and the taste also will be too good. Okay, yummy bottle gourd curry is ready, and now I'm going to prepare dal. Okay, this is plain dal, thick and plain dal, and this is rasam. What rasam do you know? This is lime rasam. Yeah, we need to squeeze the lime at the end of the rasam. It will be very nice and tasty. Mammu tingriya? Mummy, inga paaru. Chocook mammu. 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 Yeah. Mammu tine. Good boy. Choco is a good boy, having mammu. Good boy. I am also ready to have my lunch. So this is my lunch plate with some dal, pickles, curry, and you can see my shinku is right sitting in front of me, looking at me, wagging his tail. Always he comes to me whenever I have my lunch. So now since morning he went pee 2 times and he did not eat anything. So now I think he is little bit okay. Now he started eating his pedigree. Yeah, now my shinku is feeling better. Bye bye.